Hey, welcome back to Dev World. Today, we're going to discuss about Terraform and guiding you through its installation on Windows and Linux. So, without any further delay, let's get started. So what is Terraform? Terraform is an open-source infrastructure as code, IAC, software tool developed by HashiCorp. It allows users to define and provision a data center infrastructure using a declarative configuration language. With Terraform, you can create, modify, and manage infrastructure components such as virtual machines, networks, storage, and more, across various cloud providers and on-premises environments.
First, we're going to walk you through the steps to install Terraform on a Windows operating system. In Windows, we can install Terraform using two different methods. 1. Install Terraform using the Terraform executable. 2. Install Terraform using Choco. To install Terraform using the executable, follow these steps. Open your web browser and either go directly to the official Terraform website or search Download Terraform for Windows on Google. In the description box, I will provide the link of Terraform official website. Once you are on the Terraform official website, navigate to the download section and select the Windows version. Download the Terraform executable file to your computer. In the download folder, you will find the Terraform executable in compressed format. Extract the file and move the Terraform executable to a specific folder of your choice, where you plan to store the executable. I have chosen the Terraform folder under Drive D and saved my Terraform executable file there. To ensure you can access Terraform from any directory in your system, we need to update your system's global path variable to include the Terraform executable. Follow these steps. Let's first check the Terraform availability. Open the Windows command prompt by clicking on the Start menu and typing cmd. In the command prompt, type Terraform and press Enter. If you receive a command not found message, it means Terraform is not yet set up globally. Let's set up Terraform in System Path. Click on the Start menu and search for Control Panel. In Control Panel, navigate to System and then click on Advanced System Settings. In the System Properties window, click the Environment Variables button. In the System Variables section, find and select the variable named Path, then click Edit. Add the path to your Terraform executable either by typing it manually or browsing to the Terraform installation directory. Click OK to save change. Now let's verify Terraform installation. Close the command prompt and reopen it to ensure the changes take effect. In the command prompt, type Terraform version and press Enter. You should now see the version of Terraform installed on your Windows machine, confirming that the installation was successful. Now you can use Terraform commands from any location in your command prompt. Now, let's explore installing Terraform using Choco. So what is Choco? Choco is a Windows package manager that streamlines software installation, upgrades, and removal via the command line, akin to package managers in Unix-like systems. It simplifies software management for system administrators and power users. If you haven't installed Choco yet, follow these steps. This is the PowerShell commands to install Choco. Open PowerShell as an administrator and execute the following two commands to install Choco. After installation, confirm whether Choco is installed correctly. Use the following commands. To check if Choco is installed properly, use Choco help. To view the installed Choco version, use Choco version. These commands can be found in the description box for reference. Now the time to install the Terraform using Choco. we can use a single command, Choco install Terrafrom, from PowerShell to install Terraform. Open PowerShell as an administrator and execute the command Choco install Terrafrom. After installation, confirm whether Terraform is installed correctly. Use Terraform version. You should now see the version of Terraform installed on your Windows machine, confirming that the installation was successful. I hope you now understand how to install and configure Terraform on Windows. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask in the comments section. Next, let's discuss how to install Terraform on Linux. I'm using Ubuntu 22.04, and will be using the apt command to install Terraform. There are two steps you need to follow to install Terraform on an Ubuntu machine. 1. Add the Terrafrom APT Repository. 2. Install Terraform using the apt command. Let's do it on the Ubuntu machine. Before that, I am confirming the operating system version. I am also checking whether Terraform is already configured. It appears that Terraform is not available on my Linux machine. First, let's configure the Terrafrom APT repository. Please execute the necessary commands provided in the description box to do so. Great. Looks like the Terraform repository has been added successfully, and we are now prepared to install the Terraform package using apt-get. Let's update apt-get to reflect the changes. After updating, you can install Terraform by typing the command, sudo apt install terraform y. After installation, confirm whether Terraform is installed correctly. Use Terraform version. You should now see the version of Terraform installed on your Ubuntu machine, confirming that the installation was successful. And there you have it. You've successfully installed and configured Terraform on both Windows and Linux machines. Now you're ready to start using Terraform for your infrastructure automation needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.